Ready for a crispy, savory treat? Let's make rice paper pancakes. They are the perfect mix of crunch and flavor. Easy to make and impossible to resist. Start by whisking flour and water into a smooth batter. Then add gochujang, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Time to load it up. Add shredded white cabbage, carrot, onions, and scallions. Give everything a good mix until well coated. Heat a bit of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place a dry rice paper sheet directly into the pan. Spread the veggie batter evenly over the rice paper. Next, dip another rice paper sheet in water until just softened. Then place it on top and press gently to seal. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the bottom is golden and crisp. Flip carefully and cook the other side until it's just as crunchy. Slice into pieces. Top with chopped scallions and sesame seeds. It's ready to serve. These crispy, spicy, and seriously satisfying rice paper pancakes are a must try.